The Golden Bird. Once a king had an apple tree which bore golden apples in his royal garden. One day, the king realized that somebody stole his apple every day. He told his elder son to guard the apple at night. However, the elder son fell asleep and another apple was stolen. Then he sent his second son to guard the gardener who slept too and an apple was stolen again. Then one of his ministers suggested that the king should send his youngest son. The king said, "My youngest son, good for nothing." The minister argued one should never underestimate anybody. Give him a chance. The king agreed and sent his youngest son to guard the garden. The son kept awake all night and caught the golden bird that stole the apples every day. The king was delighted to see the beautiful golden bird and thanked his son. After this, he never underestimated anybody. Please subscribe.